Carrots are one of the most versatile and nutritious vegetables, widely recognized for their vibrant color, sweet flavor, and numerous health benefits. Interestingly, carrots are often categorized as both a vegetable and a fruit due to their culinary uses and botanical classification. They are a staple in kitchens around the world, used in cooking, eaten raw, pickled, or even juiced. Beyond their culinary appeal, carrots are packed with essential nutrients, making them a powerhouse of health benefits. This article delves into the various types of carrots, their nutritional profile, culinary uses, and the precautions one should take while consuming them. Types of carrots. Carrots come in a variety of colors, each with its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. The most common types include white carrots. These are less common but are known for their mild flavor and crisp texture. They are often used in salads and pickles. Red carrots. These carrots are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red hue. They are slightly sweeter than orange carrots and are often used in juices and desserts. Black carrots, syrupy carrots. These are a unique variety, often used to make congee, a traditional fermented drink. Black carrots are rich in anthocyanins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Nutritional profile of carrots. Carrots are a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. They contain vitamin A, essential for good vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Vitamin E, known for its antioxidant properties, it helps protect cells from damage. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. B vitamins, including biotin, vitamin H, which supports metabolism and healthy hair, skin, and nails. Iron, vital for the production of red blood cells and preventing anemia. Protein, though in small amounts, carrots contribute to overall protein intake. Glucose provides a natural source of energy. Starch, a carbohydrate that provides sustained energy. Carrots also contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. Their low-calorie content makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Carrots are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of culinary applications. Raw consumption. Carrots are often eaten raw as a snack or added to salads for a crunchy texture and sweet flavor. They pair well with dips like hummus or ranch dressing. Cooking. Carrots are a common ingredient in soups, stews, and stir-fries. They add sweetness and depth to dishes and are often used as a base in many recipes. Pickling. Pickled carrots are a popular condiment in many cuisines. They add a tangy, crunchy element to sandwiches, salads, and charcuterie boards. Juicing. Carrot juice is a popular health drink, often combined with other fruits and vegetables for added nutrients. It is refreshing and provides a concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals. Congee, a traditional fermented drink made from black carrots. Congee is a salty and tangy beverage that is particularly popular in South Asia. It is known for its probiotic properties, which aid in digestion and boost gut health. Carrot halwa, a popular dessert in South Asia. Carrot halwa is made by slow-cooking grated carrots with milk, sugar, and ghee. It is often garnished with nuts and served warm. While delicious, it should be consumed in moderation due to its high sugar content. Health benefits of carrots. Carrots offer a wide range of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Improved vision. Carrots are famously known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining good vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Boosted immunity. The vitamins and antioxidants in carrots help strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and diseases. Skin health. The antioxidants in carrots, including vitamins A, C, and E, help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. They also promote collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in carrots aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Heart health. Carrots are low in cholesterol and high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The antioxidants in carrots also help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing oxidative damage to the arteries. Weight management. Carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. They provide a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants in carrots, particularly beta-carotene and lycopene, have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including lung and prostate cancer. While carrots are highly nutritious, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Digestive issues. Carrots are slow to digest and can cause stomach pain or discomfort if consumed in large quantities. It is best to eat them in moderation and pair them with other easily digestible foods. Gas and bloating. Eating too many carrots can lead to gas and bloating due to their high fiber content. To avoid this, it is recommended to consume carrots with sugar, salt, or hot spices, but only in appropriate amounts. Coughing. Carrots and radishes should always be washed and dried thoroughly before consumption. Eating them without proper cleaning can lead to coughing or throat irritation. Moderation in desserts. While carrot-based desserts like halwa are delicious, they should be consumed in moderation. Overindulgence can lead to excessive sugar intake, negating the health benefits of carrots. Temperature sensitivity. Carrot juice is best consumed at room temperature or slightly warmed, especially in cold weather. Drinking it too cold can cause discomfort, particularly for those with sensitive stomachs. In traditional medicine, carrots have been used for their warming properties. Some practitioners describe their temperament as moderate, making them suitable for most individuals. Carrot jam, often garnished with gold or silver leaf, is considered a luxurious and nutritious treat. It is believed to be refreshing and beneficial for overall health. A glass of carrot juice, combined with a handful of nuts, is often recommended as a morning tonic. This combination provides a boost of energy and nutrients, making it an excellent way to start the day. In colder climates, warming the juice slightly before consumption can enhance its benefits and make it more comfortable to drink. Congee, made from black carrots, is a traditional remedy for increasing appetite, relieving heat, and aiding digestion. It is often considered a summer delicacy, providing a refreshing and nutritious drink that helps combat the effects of hot weather. Carrots are a remarkable vegetable and fruit that offer a wide range of culinary and health benefits. From their vibrant colors and sweet flavor to their rich nutritional profile, carrots are a valuable addition to any diet. Whether eaten raw, cooked, juiced, or pickled, they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. However, like any food, carrots should be consumed in moderation and with proper preparation to avoid potential digestive issues. By incorporating carrots into your daily meals, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits while savoring their delicious taste. So the next time you reach for a snack or plan a meal, consider adding carrots to your plate. Your body will thank you.